Hi, I'm Beth Shephard, and I'm here today to talk about daikon radishes. I don't know if you've ever seen one, had one. This is an example of one. We are gonna put this in a recipe today, so I'm gonna cut it in half and then I'm gonna start to peeling it just like I would any other root vegetable, right? This is a root vegetable. You may not find it easily in all of your stores, so you may have to go to a specialty store or look for it at different times of the year. It is also known as a Chinese radish, a Japanese radish, or even a winter radish. So it has plenty of names, so you may have to ask. We're gonna chop it up and we're gonna put it into a salad. Now this extra that I have right here, what I'm gonna do is I'm going to put it into a plastic bag with some damp paper towels and then put it in the refrigerator. You can put it into your plastic if you wanted to, but I will tell you it has a strong flavor, or sorry, a strong smell, so it could stick in your plastic, right? And so if that's a concern of yours, a plastic bag might be a better option, or even glass storage would work as well. So I'm just slicing it kind of small, kind of thin for my recipe today. You can eat these radishes raw, cooked, stewed. You can do a lot of different things with them. A lot of times added to salads or added to stir fry, of that nature. So if you have ever had radishes, what's the difference between this and a regular radish? And I say regular radish, the more popular, right? We are used to seeing red radishes at the store. These are obviously a little bit bigger. This one, well, all radishes have a little bit of a peppery taste. This one has less than a regular red radish and tends to be a little sweeter. So it's gonna go great into our salad, all right? So I just have little bits and pieces right here. I'm gonna add some scallions or green onion, 2 carrots, as well as cucumber. This is turnip. Cabbage, you could use any cabbage. This just happens to be red cabbage is what we had in the store available. Some rice vinegar. Add a little bit of salt, some sugar, a little more of this, olive oil. I'm just gonna mix it together. Such an easy, fresh salad. Such bright colors, right? If you're used to being told that you should eat in bright colors or different colors, this is a great salad. With some foods that you may not typically buy, right? Turnips aren't the most popular. And of course, this new radish for you. These are all different experiences. But when you start to put it together, you're gonna end up with a great, beautiful, fresh looking salad. I can't wait to dig in. I'm going to just take a little bite. Make sure I get all the different things in here. It's delicious. It's refreshing. It's got a lot of different flavors. But the thing I like about the most, it's got a fresh crunch to it. I hope you enjoy it. So when I made this great salad, I just wanted to tell you, I did scoop out all the seeds of this cucumber. I had this cucumber, I scooped out all the seeds, and then I cut it up into matchsticks so that it would not have seeds all through the salad.